Made our way up to Little Mountain, and we are currently hiking on the Ridge Trail on top of Little Mountain. It closes at 8 p.m.
Right? The steepness of roads, I don't think transfers over to video.
No, it doesn't.
Up we go, Little Mountain.
Oh, my ears are popping. Temperatures
Really?
dropped 4 degrees.
Wow. Such a nice view from up here. Yeah. Wow, take a look at the view. Well, that really is amazing. And this is a really nice park up here on Little Mountain. Wow.
Little ways.
Yeah. Way on down. You gotta pay attention to what you're doing. Yeah. Oh, wow.
So the weather finally cleared up again. It's quit raining. The sun is out today. It's about 35 degrees. We decided to get out of the hotel and made our way up to Little Mountain, and we are currently hiking on the Ridge Trail on top of Little Mountain. You can drive your car all the way up to the ridge and then just take off down through the woods. And these woods are thick, I'm not kidding, but we're enjoying our hike.
You definitely need walking sticks for this trail. There are so many trails up here. Wow. Bonnie and Clyde. And they kind of just disappear into the woods. All right. Just a little bit more hiking.
A little more uphill than you planned on.
Oh, one of the neat things about being up on Little Mountain is not only the views, but it has such a cute gazebo to look at it all. Yeah, that's something. That is amazing. Dog friendly up here at this park. So we're walking along, and I'm going to call this a popcorn bush. I'm sure it's not, but look at these. They're so cute. They're white. I don't even know what it is. Makes me think of popcorn. It's so cool. I wonder what the view is from up here. Why they put the bench there. Oh, I see it. Yep, that makes total sense. We are back to this beautiful overlook.
This is the North View overlook.
Yep. All right, the last time we were here, we actually put the drone up.
Yeah, but we don't have the drone with us this trip.
Yep. So check link above at one of these sides.
Beautiful town of Mount Vernon, Washington.
Yep. And the Skagit River.
And the Skagit River.
The Baker's out there somewhere, if that's not it.
Beautiful North Cascades.
Yeah.